coming at you with some great news. There's been a lot of talk in some of the groups. SJ just made an announcement, but we are going to have a National Brew Day right away. We're wasting no time. It's going to be for the United States and the UK areas. It's going to be on April 11th, okay? All day. An all-day party and brewing fest. And we encourage you to join in or be brewing during this. And for those of you down in New Zealand and Australia, that would be on April 12th. So what we're going to do is this, to make it simple and sweet. We suggest you go to BrewTubers' Facebook page, and I will have a link down here to the Facebook page where we're going to be posting different people that are going to do either like YouTube live type things, so you can watch them brewing and people can be chatting, or we'll also maybe set up some things like Zoom so people can all get on their cameras and be talking and chatting. But you know, we've done this in the past. It's been a while. We did a few of these to memorialize Paul Wicksteed and celebrate by brewing together in remembrance of him. Those were some great brew days, and we're going to do this again to kind of reunite everybody around the world as we're kind of stuck at home or maybe working under sometimes scary or harsh conditions, but to just lift people's spirits in this time. What a great way to do it. Let's get together. Let's reunite some friendships. I haven't talked to a lot of my UK brethren in a long time. I'd love to see some of you guys. And down under too, you know, Australia, New Zealand, some good friends down in New Zealand. So I hope that you'll be there. Start up your own channels, post them. Maybe I can jump in on a few of those. Cheers, everyone. Let's get together and let's make International Brew Day a big thing. And let's do it again every month until we're out of the dark. Cheers, everyone. Catch y'all later.